Welcome to our channel. Let's make logging into your Xfinity account quick and effortless. Right now, welcome to our channel. You might find yourself needing to access your Xfinity account for billing information, managing services, or checking your data usage. But sometimes logging in can seem tricky. Let me walk you through the entire process step by step to make it simple and straightforward. Step 1. Open your preferred web browser on your computer or mobile device and navigate to the official Xfinity website at www.xfinity.com. Step 2. Once on the homepage, look for the sign-in option typically located in the top right corner. Click or tap it to proceed. Step 3. You will be directed to the login page, where you need to enter your Xfinity user ID or your email address associated with your account. Make sure to type it carefully to avoid login errors. Step 4. Next, enter your password, ensuring you input the correct characters. Pay attention to capitalization and special characters, as the password field is case-sensitive. Step 5. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password using your registered email or phone number. Step 6. After filling in your credentials, click the Sign In button. If your details are correct, you will be successfully logged in and redirected to your account dashboard. Here you can manage your services, review recent bills, update your information, and much more. Step 7. For added security, consider enabling two-factor authentication from the security settings. This extra layer helps protect your personal data from unauthorized access. Step 8. If you frequently log in from the same device, you can choose to stay signed in by checking the Remember Me box on the login page. This saves time on future visits. Step 9. Should you encounter any issues logging in, try clearing your browser cache or using a different browser, alternatively contacting Xfinity customer support can provide personalized assistance and quick resolution. Don't forget to always keep your account details confidential and update your password regularly for security. With these steps, logging into your Xfinity account becomes a hassle-free experience, making your digital life simpler and more secure.